The Joy of Less, A Minimalist Living Guide, is a book that provides a comprehensive guide to minimalist living. The author, Francine J., argues that a minimalist lifestyle can lead to greater joy and fulfillment, and offers practical advice on how to simplify one's life, declutter one's home, and embrace a minimalist approach to living. The book covers a wide range of topics related to minimalist living, including reducing clutter, organizing one's home, simplifying finances, and reducing one's carbon footprint. The author emphasizes the importance of focusing on what truly matters in life, and offers practical tips and strategies for achieving a more minimalist lifestyle. Throughout the book, the author shares her own experiences and insights, and provides practical and inspiring advice on how to simplify one's life and embrace a minimalist approach to living. Whether you're just starting your minimalist journey or looking to deepen your commitment to this lifestyle, The Joy of Less provides a comprehensive guide to minimalist living and offers practical and inspiring advice on how to simplify your life and find greater joy and fulfillment. The Joy of Less, A Minimalist Living Guide offers several key lessons on minimalist living. The benefits of minimalism. The author argues that minimalism can lead to greater joy and fulfillment, and provides evidence and anecdotes to support this claim. The importance of decluttering. The author emphasizes the importance of decluttering one's physical environment as a first step towards a more minimalist lifestyle. Simplifying one's possessions. The author provides practical advice on how to simplify one's possessions and reduce clutter, and explains why having fewer things can lead to greater peace of mind. Embracing simplicity. The author encourages readers to embrace simplicity in all areas of their life, from their physical environment to their daily routines and habits. Focusing on what truly matters. The author emphasizes the importance of focusing on what truly matters in life, and offers practical advice on how to prioritize one's time, energy, and resources. Reducing stress. The author argues that minimalism can help reduce stress and increase one's sense of well-being. Embracing experiences. The author encourages readers to focus on experiences rather than possessions, and to invest in relationships, personal growth, and experiences that bring joy and fulfillment. These lessons provide a comprehensive introduction to minimalist living and offer practical and inspiring advice on how to simplify one's life and embrace a minimalist approach to living. The book provides a compelling argument for why minimalism can lead to greater joy and fulfillment, and offers practical advice on how to make a minimalist lifestyle a reality. Letting go of consumerism. The author critiques the consumerist culture and encourages readers to let go of the notion that buying more things will bring happiness. Instead, the author argues that a minimalist lifestyle can lead to greater contentment and satisfaction. Mindfulness. The author emphasizes the importance of mindfulness and being present in the moment, and offers practical advice on how to cultivate a more mindful approach to life. Sustainability. The author touches upon the environmental benefits of minimalism and encourages readers to reduce their carbon footprint and adopt a more sustainable lifestyle. Customizing the approach. The author recognizes that not everyone will have the same experience with minimalism and encourages readers to find what works best for them and make the approach their own. Embracing change. The author acknowledges that embracing a minimalist lifestyle can be a challenging process and requires a willingness to embrace change. However, the author encourages readers to take the first step towards minimalism and to find joy and fulfillment along the way. These lessons provide a comprehensive overview of the key themes and messages of The Joy of Less, A Minimalist Living Guide, and offer practical and inspiring advice on how to embrace a minimalist approach to living and find greater joy and fulfillment. The book is a valuable resource for anyone looking to simplify their life and embrace a minimalist lifestyle. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe for more. For purchasing the book, the link is in the comment section for your convenience.